Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has called for the report submitted by the Delhi Waqf Board to a parliamentary panel reviewing the Waqf Amendment Bill to be deemed null and void. She asserted that the report presented by Delhi Waqf Board Administrator Ashwini Kumar was submitted without the approval of the Delhi government. Atishi raised this issue with Jagdambika Pal, the chairperson of the Joint Parliamentary Committee, which is assessing the Waqf Amendment Bill following objections from opposition parties during its introduction in the Lok Sabha. During the committee meeting, several opposition members staged a walkout in response to the Delhi government's claims that the report was submitted without its consent. Among those who walked out were Aam Aadmi Party member Sanjay Singh, the DMK's Mohammad Abdullah, the Congress Nasir Hussain and Mohammad Javed. However, the opposition members returned to the meeting after a brief absence. This isn't the first time that opposition members have walked out of Waqf Board meeting. The committee will also meet on October 29th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.